it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you November's Glossy box unboxing. So yes, I've got this month's Glossy box. It actually arrived about 2 weeks ago now. I'm very late at getting it kind of unboxed. I do apologise. I have a new puppy and it has been taking up a lot of time. I will try and do a video so you can meet her properly and things. She's a rescue and she's gorgeous, but she's a handful. So she's taking up quite a bit of time, which is the reason that my videos have been a bit all over the place at the minute. So please bear with me, I do apologise. Anyway, today we have a Glossy box unboxing. Okay, so just before we open the box then, I'll just tell you a little bit about it. It is a monthly subscription box, but you can subscribe for a month at a time or you can subscribe for 12 months at a time. I subscribe for 12 months and that costs me £11.75. But if you want to subscribe just 1 month at a time, it is £13.25. And inside we get lots of beauty treats. Glossy box is good for a lot of makeup and things. I also subscribe to Look Fantastic. That's very skincare heavy. This one I find is more makeup. Anyway, like I said, so many different things that we get in each month's box. So we do get skincare and things in here as well, but there is a lot of makeup, a lot of well-known brands. We get 5 items every month. So without further ado, let's open it up and we'll see what we get this month. Okay, so inside is our Glossy box. Last month was a special edition when we got a special box. It was absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't seen my unboxing of that, go check it out because it was a very, very good box. So this is just the standard Glossy box. This is how it comes in a beautiful pink box. These boxes are super useful for various things. And then inside we get a little card about our products. And then our products are nicely wrapped behind a little bow and some tissue paper. I will give you a very quick sneak peek of the products. So what I will do is I will do the same every month. I will go through the booklet and show you the items one by one. I do believe I've had an email to tell me that one of the items mentioned in this booklet isn't in the box. We get something else, which they've given me the wrong booklet. Typical. So it looks like this month's theme is makeup and magic. Last month was quite magical. So, woo. So the little write-up about the box says, "We know our glossies can never get enough of a little glitter, shimmer and glow. And with the end of the year fast approaching, we know you're more than ready to combine all three to create some magic. Which is why your November Makeup and Magic box, in your November Makeup and Magic box, you will find amazing brands that will prepare you perfectly for any upcoming celebrations. So pour yourself a glass of champagne, invite over your besties and begin conjuring up some beautiful, gorgeous glam looks." That sounds fabulous. Also sounds slightly inappropriate given the current lockdown situation, but still. Okay, so let's just start off with the products then. I'll start off with the one that was a sneak peek from last month. It's an eyeshadow palette, very exciting. So we have an eyeshadow palette from LA Splash. It's very pretty, it's got the kind of aesthetic I like, all that kind of sun, moon, kind of spellbinding stuff. And the palette itself is blinking gorgeous, and its colours I think that most people will be able to use very easily. So let's look at the little write-up of this. So firstly then, this has a retail price of £29. So we've got our money's worth, well, more than our money's worth already. So it says, "Summon mystical forces with the most magical highlighting palette ever created. Providing the right balance of undertones, these eight spell-binding shades complement any complexion, and whether for day or night, start by applying a lighter shade all over the lid, then add a darker shade to your outer crease and blend. Highly pigmented, these pressed powders also allow for easy application with minimal fallout." So that sounds fabulous. If you're interested, let me know and I'll do a swatching video on these because these are the type of colours that I can use very easily. So it looks like we get 5 matte shades and 3 shimmery shades. So they look beautiful. Like I said, they're the perfect kind of colours. I use colours like these kind of daily. Okay, so really pleased with our first product this month. So our next product in the booklet, and one that will complement the eyeshadow palette perfectly, we have a Spectrum Collection Limited Edition B07 brush. This is worth £8. So let's just take it out of the packet. Spectrum brushes are fabulous. I've only got 1 or 2 to be honest, but the ones I've got I really, really like. I can't get it out of the blinking packet. It's kind of trying to, there we go. Ooh, it's a nice fluffy kind of really good blendable brush, that one. that's kind of, yeah, that's a perfect eyeshadow brush. So that's an amazing thing to get to go with our eyeshadow palette. So the little write-up then on this one says, add definition to the otherworldly makeup with this tall pointed blender brush. The super soft synthetic bristles on this limited edition black and gold tool taper at the tip into a defined flame shape, which will effortlessly glide across the lid and onto the crease of the eye. Blend in sweeping motions to create an enchanting eye look. Like I say, Spectrum's a really good brand, so I'm really, really happy with that one. Okay then, our next item looks like it is a face mask, and it's in some super shiny holographic packaging, really pretty. So this is from Bella. I don't think I've heard of that brand before. Always up for trying something new. So this is worth £2.49. It is a recharge and restore moonstone glitter gel mask. Ooh, I wonder if my face would look like that if I put that on. Ooh, this will go on a Face Mask Friday. Hopefully I'll get around to some Face Mask Fridays at some point soon. Okay, so it says it says lusting after radiant glowing skin. Well, this hydrating gel mask will cast a spell and make exactly that happen. Enriched with recharging moonstone extract and glitter shimmer particles, this mask will help leave your skin feeling bright and nourished. Simply apply the mask with your fingertips to freshly cleansed skin and leave it on to work its magic for 15 minutes. So you know me, I love a good face mask. If this is anything like the packet looks, it would be fabulous. I highly doubt I'm going to look like this lady, but it would be nice. Okay, so the next item, according to the booklet, is an item from Mud Masky, but I believe this is the one that they've got wrong, and I actually have a product from Generation Clay, and it is their Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So it's the second face mask in this box. So again, I don't have an awful lot of write-up on this because obviously it's not in the booklet, but the little tube, which is a really decent size, we get 50 mils in here. It says to refine, brighten, illuminate and nurture. And you apply an even layer to cleanse dry skin, wait for 10 minutes until the mask starts to tighten, and then you're going to wash off with water. So I think this is going to be a purple face mask. I'm going to look purple. This is amazing. I don't think I've had anything from Generation Clay before. I'm not even entirely sure I've heard of them, to be perfectly honest with you. But this, I think, is a good size. You're going to get a good few face masks out of that, so I do like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that. Again, another perfect thing for a Face Mask Friday. I really must get on top of Face Mask Fridays. I know I'm so bad. I apologise, guys. Like I say, busy at the minute. Okay, so our final item then is from Hask, and it is a argan oil repairing deep conditioner. This is worth £2. So it says formulated with organic argan oil unique to Morocco. This deep conditioner will turn dry and damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic. It's super strengthening and intensely hydrating. You massage this miracle working product into clean, wet hair, focusing on damaged areas, and you can leave to 10 minutes before rinsing well. I've used argan oil products on my hair before, and they are actually really, really nice. So I look forward to using that. And it feels like you actually get quite a lot in there. So we get 50 mils. So I wonder if I can maybe get like maybe 2 uses out of that. I do have quite a lot of hair at the minute. Haven't been able to go to the hairdressers since February, so that's why my hair is so long. I'm keeping on top of it with hair masks and things, so that will be perfect. My puppy is scratching at my door, so I best wrap this up. Okay, so a quick rundown then of this month's products we get. We've got the eyeshadow palette, which looks perfect. Oh, there's a puppy crying. Sorry. So yes, the eyeshadow palette looks perfect. Let me know if you want a swatching video. We've got the eyeshadow brush, Spectrum, fantastic brand. We have the shimmery, shiny, glittery mask, which will be perfect for Face Mask Friday, and another mask, a purple one, hopefully. That'll be fabulous also. And then I've got myself a nice pampery treat for my hair. So I'm really, really happy with this month's box, and I think we definitely get value for money. Like I say, I've only paid £11.75 for this, so perfect. So guys, drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this month's box. If you're a subscriber, are you happy with everything you got? If you don't subscribe, does this make you want to subscribe? Drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think. And if you've liked the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be absolutely fantastic if you could subscribe. I do a glossy box and a look fantastic unboxing every month, as well as various hauls, unboxings, different things and bits and bobs, and trying bits out, you know, Face Mask Fridays. Take a look at my channel and get the idea. You don't need to hear me blabbing on any longer. Okay guys, take care and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.